Thank you, Governor. Asante, Governor wetu, George Mbogo, chila yako, jakora jamoko. CLVOK. Your Excellency, as I had earlier told you, we had made a committee for the 52 churches that we brought together, and the committee managed to raise this money in Nairobi, Your Excellency. We visited the Deputy President. He gave us 2 million shillings. We went to the Right Honorable Prime Minister. He gave us 1 million. The Speaker of the National Assembly, Honorable Wetangula, gave us 1 million. Ishungwa, the Majority Leader in the National Assembly, my colleague, gave us 1 million. My friend Hassan Joho gave me 1 million. Governor Ochilo Ayako also gave me 1 million. What's her name? The governor of Homa Bay, Gladys Nyasuna Wanga, gave me 1 million. Then a businessman in Kisumu called Kennedy Ongwen gave me 500,000. And I spoke also to some minister and peers from all of them. They said they will come here. So they didn't give me any money. So they should bring their money now. Otherwise, there are consequences. Your Excellency, Your Excellency, then the money we managed to raise from that group of Nairobi is 8.5 million shillings. So Your Excellency, wale wako na yao hapa watatoa, na Your Excellency usisahau sisi. Najua watu wanakupiga ati unachangia kanisa. Sisi ndio kanisa ile wanataka mchango. Ya pili, Your Excellency, leo tumekuja maombi hapa. We have come to do praise and worship of the Lord. And we have praised the Lord. Because when we come here, ask for help, ask for development, ask for church contributions, there are people who say that we are praise and worship team. I'm not in any praise and worship team. I'm the minority leader who's supporting the broad-based. Worship and praise team are only in Siaya. Thank you very much. Oh, Minister, your energy. Honorable former minority leader, Honorable Opio Wandai James, amesema atapeana 1 million shillings. Wacho nango? Honorable Mbadi, the Minister for Finance, who is also a former minority leader, amesema anapeana 1 million shillings. Wacho nango? Your Excellency, Opio Wandai was the minority leader, he became a minister. Mbadi was the former minority leader, he became a minister. I am the minority leader. You know next what is going to happen. Excellent.
Owacho kose oko wacho. Juneto tiyo kose oko tiyo. Pesa donjo kose oko donjo. Basi neno kawanywako tich. Jok monagi ong'eyo ni ka idwaro diero le maduong' migo piny, to ugo dwar ma ji mang'eny ni e iye. Ka ugo mau, kendo uchomo mwanda, uchomo abur, uchomo ngau, to mau mar ji mang'eny miyo layo. Miyo timang'o? Emomiyo wan jotelo, wagaga dwar kama jo Migori oyud faida, jo Kuria East, jo Kuria West, jo Suna East, jo Suna West, jo Nyatike, jo Uriri, jo Rongo, jo Awendo. Migori oe! Migori oe! Auru malo mondo urwak rais ma Kenya ma en Wendo Modhial mondo